Good evening friends, welcome to your Learner Ones on Ones channel. Let us do analysis for Friday, that is for 30th June 2023. But before going any further, let us analyze कि हमने आज के लिए क्या एनालाइज किया था इन कल के एनालिसिस, यानी व्हाट इज द डिस्कशन दैट वी डिड फॉर टुडे इन यस्टरडेज एनालिसिस. सो एज ऑलवेज वी डिस्कस ऑल द थ्री सिनेरियोस फॉर गैप अप, गैप डाउन एज वेल एज फ्लैट. वी सेड अगर गैप अप हो जाए वी विल वेट फॉर 30 मिनट्स एंड सी व्हाट इज द प्राइस एक्शन, राइट. इफ हाई इज ब्रोकन वी विल गो फॉर लॉन्ग, राइट, एंड इफ लो इज ब्रोकन नियर द सपोर्ट वी विल वेट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इन निफ्टी में 30 मिनट्स के बाद यू मे सी हाई वाज ब्रोकन. This was the first 30 minutes candle which was red, but again next candle broke the high and again there was a very good long opportunity, right. If you take it back on smaller frames also you may see there is this higher highs ka pattern which was maintained in Nifty. There was a time when this price action happened. I had also posted on the forum that only if this candle 11:40 am candle low is broken, अगर 11:40 की candle का low break होता है then the higher highs frame, ये जो higher highs frame शुरू हुआ from 1025, this frame again, this frame, right, this frame इसका low break हो जाएगा only if this candle is able to break the previous swing low, right. That is the reason I mentioned that कि यहाँ से अगर low break हो जाए it is better to exit. Only if the low is not getting broken you can still stay in the trade, right. Here you can still stay in the trade and it kept on moving to the higher point, also broke the 19,000 the way we discussed yesterday, right. This is what we discussed for Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? Coming back to Bank Nifty, we discussed that अगर 30 minutes के बाद if you see the previous swing coming closer to this, right, यहाँ से just the way yesterday also we discussed what we need to see 30 minutes break के होने के बाद में price action क्या है. इसके बाद you may see again hammers are happening just like previous day, right, the way we discussed in previous video also on 15 minutes frame, the way you can see here, right, without breaking the previous swing low, again the hammers were happening. This happened in previous day also, right, closer to the support. Similarly it happened here, and somewhere in the forum I posted that if it is able to break this 9:30 am high then there is an opportunity for 44,450 as well as 500, which it achieved. Though after seeing this price action on 5 minutes frame, I had posted that if it is getting closer to what 44,405 also I am exiting from here, and from here if you would have exited you may see again the price was going into the sideways momentum. ये जो आगे का momentum था it again went into sideways, right. Just a minute, let me just close it. It again went into the sideways momentum. Look at this momentum, what happened, right. It again went into the sideways structure itself. That is the reason after that even though it went up again with draining premiums itself. So that was the overall analysis in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, what we discussed for today in yesterday's analysis, right. For today what further, अब इसके आगे क्या, इसके आगे if we come back on days frame, now when we come back on days frame you may see that this is a green closing candle, but in Bank Nifty we have a doji kind of candle जिसकी body is again far away from the upper shadow and the lower body is also far away from the lower shadow, right, and it has closed in between in Bank Nifty. While in Nifty this is still, even though it is having shadow at higher end also, shadow at lower end also, but the closing still shows a positive closing, right. So what for Friday now, what for the upcoming session? Now if I come back on 15 minutes, you can see that now ऊपर हमें ज्यादा resistances नहीं है. That is the reason in Nifty if we open flat, right, we have closed at 18,993. If we open flat and if we are able to break the high, what was the high, 19,000 level, flat खुलते ही if we are able to break the high I am interested to again take a long for further 100 points का opportunity, right, from here. And what would be the SL would be the previous swing low. If it is breaking this swing low, if it is breaking this hammer, then we are immediately exiting, right. Then we will not stay in the trade, because why, then again it may go for further retracements, for further profit booking. That is the reason flat खुलते ही अगर ऊपर break करता है then we are interested to stay in the long as long as higher highs are made the way it was made today without breaking the previous swing low. If it is following this kind of higher highs pattern we will stay. If it breaks low we are exiting. The same thing that we discuss every day, right. Flat खुलते ही ऊपर जाते हो, flat खुलते ही नीचे जाता है. Now from here 18,993 again look at the supports just the way we discussed yesterday. Look at the supports happening, right. It's another story if there is a profit booking, flat खुल के नीचे चले जाए and it keeps on booking, but flat खुलते ही नीचे जाता है, any support can act as a strong support and keep on pumping up, right. इसलिए flat खुल के if it comes down and again retraces up breaks the previous swing high, like here if it breaks all this swing high, retrace होके वापस, then again I'm interested in buying. Just if it is opening flat नीचे जा रहा है, I am leaving the trade, right? Flat खुल के if the price keeps on going down, we are leaving the trade, we are not trading. Only if it opens flat, comes down, retraces, and from here again starts making positive price action, right? Again from here if it starts making positive price action, only then we will stay in the trade, right? Then we will take the trade. So flat upward scenario we discussed, flat downward scenario we discussed. What about gap up? Now gap up in this scenario, gap up के लिए we don't have any resistances and price already today we were gap up, right? आज ही gap up खुल के we went all the way up, right? आज gap up खुल के we went all the way up. We have already traveled 150 points plus, right? Today in Nifty we traveled 150 points plus today. So again another gap up. Mostly I would avoid this scenario, right? Now gap up I won't even wait for 30 minutes. It is not necessary that every day you should capture each and every scenarios, right? Why I would leave the scenario if gap up happens? Gap up के बाद let's say if gap up is there would be shorts unwinding कि जिन्होंने भी कॉल शॉर्टिंग किया था at 19,000 or 19,100 they may unwind. First thing. Second thing, now people who were holding long since yesterday, कल से जिनके पास लॉन्ग थे उनको एक बार भी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली और वापस गैप अप देखते ही वो भी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कर सकते हैं. एंड देन देयर कुड बी अ वोलेटिलिटी, राइट? व्हेन देयर इज दिस ह्यूज वोलेटिलिटी देयर वुड बी अ प्रॉपर प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर, राइट? देन द प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी, इट कैन आइदर गोज दिस वे साइडवेज आल्सो, देन इट कैन गोज फॉर डाउन फ्रेम आल्सो, इट कैन गो फॉर हायर हाइज आल्सो, राइट? बट volatility would be high. That is the reason gap up we will be avoiding, right? We won't be interested for gap up if Nifty opens gap up. Flat खुल के ऊपर जाता है we are buying. Flat खुल के नीचे retrace करके वापस ऊपर जाता है we are buying, right? What if gap down happens? Now any gap down which is closer to 18,900 or which is closer to 18,930 makes a bullish hammer, makes again the higher heights का structure, we are interested in buying. Any shorting for Nifty now will be considered only when what? Let me come back to 1 hour. When would I consider shorting? Now you may see the previous ATH. What was previous ATH? 18,887, right? Since 19th of June, Nifty tried so many times breaking this previous high. 19th June से Nifty ने कई बार कोशिश की थी ये previous ATH को break करने की, right? आज जो बना है वो नहीं, पहले वाला जो था अक्टूबर का, वो ATH Nifty ने कई बार कोशिश की थी ब्रेक करने की पर ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया था. इसीलिए गैप डाउन होके भी we wouldn't consider for shorting. गैप डाउन होके if there is positive price action, सपोर्ट के पास 18,900 के पास, 18,880 के पास और closer to 18,930 एक पॉजिटिव बुलिश हैमर बनाता है on 15 minutes and it is making high rise pattern. We are again interested in buying only if gap down, कोई भी gap down अगर 3:15 के बाद भी if any gap down happens and after 3 or 3:15 p.m. if it is able to stay above below 18,860, sorry, if it is able to stay below 18,860, यानी ये जो लेवल जो 19th of June से कोशिश की थी ऊपर जाने की, पर अभी ऊपर जाने के जगह गैप डाउन होने के बाद इसके नीचे अगर निफ्टी 3:15 के बाद भी after 3:15 p.m. also if it is able to stay below 3:15 then with a very lesser lot size, वापस lot size कम क्यों? क्योंकि now it is higher heights का structure and we are taking a trade opposite the trend, right? Higher heights की structure में if you want to go for the opposite trend, there may be again an opportunity where you know buyers can come and pump in, but as इतना ऊपर जाने के बाद भी if it is breaking this support, right? ये जो हैमर ने support बनाया है, if it is breaking this support and even after 3 or 3:15 p.m. All this buyers support is broken and the candle is able to close below this, right? If it is able to close, then I may take a short opportunity for the upcoming week, right? For the weekly expiry. For the upcoming weekly expiry I'm saying, right? So that is how I would be interested in taking the short only if after 3 or 3:15 p.m. also if after a gap down, ऐसा नहीं कि फ्लैट खुल के नीचे जा रहा है, right? After a gap down if it is able to sustain below this, right? फ्लैट खुल के नीचे only if it pumps up again, breaks the previous swing high, we are interested. Gap down if 15 minutes goes positive just like this candle which is on hourly, if 15 minutes candle also makes this kind of hammer, if it makes this kind of hammer, if it makes this kind of hammer where higher height structure is there, right? Previous swing low नहीं तोड़ रहा है, we will be interested to buy only if after 3 or 3:15 p.m. if it is able to stay below 18,860 इसके नीचे रहता है, only then we may consider short with a very lesser quantities, very low lot size because this is higher heights का structure, this is not lower lows का structure. If there is any reversal, if it is about to happen, then the low needs to be broken, right? अगर ये low जाता है only then we would think. So we have covered all the scenarios about gap up, flat and gap down. Where gap up we are avoiding for the Friday, right? We are avoiding gap up. Now what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty में as we discussed the closing has the shadow. यहाँ से upper shadow भी बढ़ा है, यहाँ से lower shadow भी बढ़ा है body का. It is more than 120 or 150 points away from the closing, right? इसलिए flat opening in Bank Nifty wouldn't be that beneficial. I would consider. Let me come back to 15 minutes frame to explain this. बैंक निफ्टी में इफ देयर इज अ फ्लैट ओपनिंग, राइट, यहां से कोई भी फ्लैट ओपनिंग हो जाए, ये फ्लैट ओपनिंग 43,390 से अगर 43,500 तक ट्रेवल करती है, फ्रॉम 43,390 इफ इट ट्रेवल्स टू 44,500, यहां से अगर एक नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन बना है, व्हेनेवर आई से नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन, लुक एट दिस कैंडल एट द रेजिस्टेंस, राइट, 44,500 वाज रेजिस्टेंस, इसे देखिए, और एनी प्रीवियस कैंडल्स, राइट, लेट मी जस्ट स्क्रॉल दिस, एनी प्रीवियस कैंडल्स, any previous candles also, look at this when it is closer to 44,500, look at the price action how it is. This again is the green candle but has the upper wick, right, has the upper shadow turning into shooting star, and see how price action has reacted closer to 44,500. Here look at this again closer to 44,500, how it has reacted. So from here फ्लैट खुलते ही अगर 44,500 के पास एक नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन आ जाए, यानी कोई भी 15 मिनट्स की कैंडल ऐसे ही एक शूटिंग स्टार बनाती है फ्लैट खुलने के बाद, नॉट गैप अप, वी विल डिस्कस गैप अप, फ्लैट खुलने के बाद अगर यहां से नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन करती है, आई विल कंसीडर हाई ऑफ द कैंडल एज एन एसएल, एंड फ्रॉम हियर अगेन थिंक ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटी टिल द प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग, यानी 44,390 से, और यहां से भी अगर इफ इट इज मेकिंग लोअर लॉस का प्राइस एक्शन, इफ इट इज मेकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन, राइट, if it is making this kind of price action, even if it goes sideways, again continuing this price action, jahan pe it is not breaking the previous swing high, where it is not breaking the previous swing high, right, I would still be interested in the trade, right, I would still be interested in the opportunity of shorting. Flat खुल के ऊपर जाता है and if it makes negative price action, what if flat खुल के नीचे आता है, flat खुल के anywhere if it tries to come closer to 44,150, closer to 44,160, right, जो कि लो था, आज का डे लो था, which was closer to 44,163 somewhere. So फ्लैट खुलते ही if it is able to come closer to this and make a bullish hammer, exactly opposite of what if happens if it goes up, उसी का opposite, फ्लैट खुल के अगर नीचे आता है, जैसे आज डे लो के पास आया, and look at this price action, see this is the price action I am talking about. If it opens flat, makes this kind of price action, this kind of hammer, this kind of hammer, this kind of action, where it is not breaking swing low, low टूट जाता है, immediately exit, you will have what 10 or 20 points का loss, which is still bearable, right? So that is the thing. फ्लैट खुल के नीचे आता है और सेम प्राइस एक्शन यहां पे बनाता है फॉर द हायर हाइज, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग फॉर द प्रीवियस स्विंग का क्लोजिंग, एंड यहां से भी अगर हायर हाइज का स्ट्रक्चर बना है, वी विल स्टे इन द ट्रेड. अगेन व्हाट इज हायर हाइज, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल हायर हाइज, जहां पे प्रीवियस स्विंग लो इज नॉट गेटिंग ब्रोकन. सी प्रीवियस स्विंग लोज are not getting broken whenever we discuss higher highs. Look at this swing low, look at this swing low, look at this, look here, again see here, here it was broken, right, here it was broken. So this is the time when one has to exit if it gets broken. So we discuss both the scenarios for flat. Flat we are not directly buying until and unless it doesn't goes up or doesn't goes down. So what if we open gap up, right, any gap up now, just a minute. So what if we open gap up now from 44,390, अगर कोई भी gap up 44,500 के पास होता है, right, 44,500 के पास if there is any gap up and if that gap up makes again a bullish candle, right, अगर price structure positive होता है for first 15 minutes and if it is able to close above 44,520 or 530, ऐसा प्राइस एक्शन हो जाता है विद द पॉजिटिव बुलिश कैंडल ऑन 15 मिनट्स फ्रेम, then again I am interested in long. Why? Because there would be a huge short covering here. If the price action is positive, ऐसा नहीं कि ऊपर जाता है and वापस शूटिंग स्टार बन जाता है या एक बिग रेड बेरिश कैंडल becomes an at first 15 minutes, right? फिर बाय करने का क्या फायदा? Only if it is a strong bullish candle above 44,500 with the gap up opening, only then we are buying on 15 minutes frame, right? Considering the low of the candle as SL. That is the structure for buying, and we would go for further long journey as long as higher highs are maintained. That is the scenario for gap up. What if gap up 44,500 के पास होता है और वहां से एक नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन करता है? Any price action which is negative on first 15 minutes with a shooting star or this kind of bearish candle, a proper red big bearish candle or this kind of candle, ऐसा अगर कोई price action हो जाता है, again we are interested to shorting till the previous swing closing 44,390 से, और वहां से भी नीचे जा रहा है, we would again short, right? So we considered both the scenarios for gap up, for buying also, for selling also. What about gap down? अभी कोई भी गैप डाउन from 44,390, today sellers tried their best to take bank nifty down, right? But still the structure stayed higher rise. From here it went sideways. That is the reason now if any gap down is happening from 44,390, from 44,390 any gap down happens which is closer to 44,240 or 250, यहाँ से वापस there is a positive price action, we would consider buying, right? यहाँ से if there is positive price action, we would consider buying. And just like Nifty, right? Only with the gap down, only with gap down, अगर यहाँ पे जरा टाइम स्पेंड करे, right? If gap down is closer to 44,250, यहाँ से अगर टाइम स्पेंड करे और टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद let's say 1 hour or 2 hours and first up somewhere closer to 11:30 also, it keeps lower lows का structure. Gap down होने के बाद भी it is keeping lower lows का structure. It is keeping this kind of price structure. When I say lower lows, this is the perfect example of lower lows कि gap down भी हुआ है, ऐसा price structure हो रहा है. Even if it is going sideways, it is not breaking swing highs, right? It is not breaking swing highs कि ऐसा gap down हो गया और यहाँ से वापस price इतना ऊपर रिकवर कर रहा है, पुराना swing high तोड़ रहा है, then it is of no use, right? Gap down खुल के if it stays for the lower load structure, and in that way if it is able, and in that way if it is able to break all the support, right? And in that way if it is able to break 44,160, gap down होता है, which that gap down should be lesser than 44,250. 44,250 के नीचे भी गैप डाउन होता है आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग टाइम, ऐसा नहीं कि सीधे जा रहा है, देन वी आर अवॉइडिंग. फिर फ्राइडे में इवन इफ इट गोस 300 पॉइंट्स डाउन, 500 पॉइंट्स डाउन, वी आर अवॉइडिंग. इट हैपेंस गैप डाउन keeps the lower load structure as we saw here, it keeps the lower loads का structure, और वो करके भी if it is able to break 44,160 in the first half itself somewhere closer to 12 or 12:30, then we are interested in shorting. Then there can be a very good shorting opportunity, right? So gap down, we discussed both the scenarios. Gap down, okay, if there is a positive hammer, just like this way, we will buy for the higher right structure. This is the higher right structure that we keep on discussing. Previous swing low tutega, then we will exit, and the target is still previous swing ka closing. If it keeps on going up, we will stay. Gap down with negative price structure only if more than 2 hours it is maintained, if it is maintained, and before 12 p.m. itself, if it is able to break 44,160, only then we are interested in the shorting, right? Only then we are interested in the shorting, where we are expecting 44,000 first, then 43,900 and 43,800 tak bhi, as long as it keeps on going for downward. In this way, we have covered all the scenarios in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. On that note, I am closing this video. See you on Friday.